Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ice cream using just a Ziploc bag. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of heavy cream, and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. For that classic flavor, grab 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Also, make sure you have 2 Ziploc bags ready, 1 smaller quart-sized bag and 1 larger gallon-sized bag. These are essential for our fun no-churn method. Now, let's create our ice cream base. Take your quart-sized Ziploc bag and pour in the 1 cup of milk, 1 cup of cream, 1/2 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Once all the ingredients are inside, carefully seal the bag. It's important to press out as much air as possible before sealing to prevent any accidental leaks. Give the seal a good double check to ensure it's completely airtight and secure. Next, we'll prepare the freezing chamber. Take your gallon-sized Ziploc bag and fill it about halfway with ice cubes. This provides the cold environment needed for our ice cream. Now, add 1/2 cup of rock salt directly into the ice within the gallon bag. The salt lowers the freezing point of the ice, making it much colder. Finally, place your sealed quart-sized bag, containing the liquid ice cream mixture, directly into the gallon bag with the ice and salt. Now for the fun part, shaking. Hold the gallon bag firmly and shake it vigorously for about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll feel the mixture inside the smaller bag start to harden as it transforms into ice cream. Continue shaking until it reaches a delightful soft serve consistency. Once it's ready, carefully remove the quart-sized bag, rinse off any salt, and scoop out your delicious, freshly made ice cream. Enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.